Now that, my friend, sounds delicious. Totally gonna redo it for y'all and add the hamburger. And yes, it is only 1 cup of rice. I got so many comments, nobody believed me, but I will prove it to you. It's only 1 cup of rice. It just expands. Gonna cook our ground beef. This is a little bit more than 1 pound, but I'm gonna try to only add 1 pound. While the meat's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and prep that part. I know y'all are gonna come at me that I'm not using fresh mushrooms, but I already had this in the pantry, gonna use it. And look, since everybody wanted to hate on the salt content, we got 50% less sodium for the beef broth this time, all right? We got a 1/2 stick of butter too, and here's the rice. A lot of people also asked what kind of rice. I just use regular white rice. It will not cook the same way with brown rice. Okay, just to prove to y'all, there is 1 cup right there, 1 cup full going in. 1 can beef consomme, 1 can French onion, and since I typically do a can of beef broth, I'm just gonna pour the 50% less sodium beef broth into this other can that we use so that it's the same amount. All right, there's the broth. All right, we drained the mushrooms. Yes, drained them. A little gross, gotta get that out of there. All right, and I've got the butter on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and cook it. All right, it's supposed to be 450 for 45 minutes when we don't make the ground beef in there, but we're gonna add the ground beef maybe about 30 minutes in. So here we go. Make sure to put a pan underneath if you are using a foil thing, like so. Now, before y'all come at me with the hateful comments again about the salt content, typically this is a side dish, but since we are adding ground beef to it, I guess it's gonna be our main dish and it's a holiday, so we're gonna go hard. But a guy even left a comment that I'm killing my kids by feeding them salt like this, so I guess eat in moderation would be my tip. Okay, we're at the 30-minute mark. I took it out. I'm going to add the ground beef, spread it all across. I'm just going to do this about a cup at a time. I'll probably add like 2 or 3 cups. 2.5 cups it is. And I'm just going to push it down into the rice just a little bit like this, and then I'm going to put it back in for 15 more minutes. Oh, that looks like pig slop, and I'm a pig, so I'm about ready to eat it. Yes. So good.